Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lestari. My study number G1B018-081. Okay, the project to improve the Seven Ulu River part of Palembang City is where I did my internship. The expected benefit of the project to improve the Seven Ulu River part, Palembang City, South Sumatra Province, is to facilitate the transportation of passengers and goods from one area to a certain area, as well as between islands. As for the project work that I reviewed during my internship here, the lower structure work such as pile work, then the upper structure work such as beam works, pile cap. Here I will explain about concrete. Concrete is a mixture consisting of sand, gravel, crushed stone or other aggregates which are mixed together with a passmates of cement and water to form a rock-like mass. Sometimes one or more additives are added to produce concrete with certain characteristics such as workability, durability, and hardening time. Explaining the concrete mix, it is necessary to pay attention to the applicable requirements in order to produce concrete that has a compressive strength that is in accordance with the plan. The factor that affects the compressive strength of concrete are the materials that make up the concrete, the method of manufacture, the treatment methods, and the test conditions, work, and floor slab work. Concrete building blocks. Concrete consists of a mixture of several materials such as fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, water, and cement as a binder. The following is an explanation of the ingredients for making concrete. Fine aggregate. Fine aggregate is natural sand as a result of natural disintegration of rock or sand produced by the stone crushing industry and has the large grain size of 5 mm. Coarse aggregate. Coarse aggregate is gravel as a result of natural disintegration of rocks or in the form of crushed stone obtained from the stone crushing industry and has a grain size between 5 mm to cement. Portland cement is hydraulic cement produced by grinding Portland cement slags millimeter. Water mixing water used in the pressed concrete or in concrete in which aluminum is embedded, including free water contained in the aggregate, must not contain harmful amounts of chloride ions. The following condition might be used as a concrete mix follows. 1. The water used must be clean and free from the making materials containing oil, acid, alkali, salt, organic matter, or other materials that are detrimental to concrete or reinforcement. 2. Mixing water used in concrete containing aluminum metal, excluding free water contained in the aggregate, must not contain harmful amounts of chloride ions. 3. Undrinkable water shall not be used on concrete unless the following conditions are met. 1. The selection of the proportion of the concrete mix must be based on the concrete mix that use water from the same source. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.